What if your breath is warning you before your body feels sick? What if the air you breathe out is carrying a warning about your health? Most people think breath is only about smell, freshness, or what they ate. But science is beginning to show that your breath may contain tiny chemical clues about what is happening inside your body. These clues are called biomarkers. They can come from changes in metabolism, inflammation, infection, or stress inside the body. Researchers are studying how these patterns in exhaled breath may help identify health problems earlier and more easily than many people ever imagined. This is where artificial intelligence enters the picture. The human body produces complex mixtures of compounds in breath, often called volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. On their own, these patterns can be difficult to interpret, but AI is very good at finding hidden patterns in large amounts of data. That is why scientists are testing whether AI can study breath signatures and recognize disease-related changes earlier than traditional observation alone. Researchers are exploring this in areas such as lung disease, infections, cancer, and metabolic disorders. The promise is exciting because breath testing is non-invasive, painless, and fast compared with many traditional methods. But here is the important truth. This technology is promising, yet in many cases it is still developing. Breath-based AI tools are being studied, but they are not a full replacement for standard medical diagnosis. For example, for lung cancer screening, established guidelines still rely on low-dose CT scans for people at high risk, not breath tests. That means this is not a message of fear, it is a message of awareness. If your breath changes suddenly, becomes persistently unusual, or is accompanied by other symptoms, it may be wise to pay attention and talk to a healthcare professional. In the future, AI may help doctors use breath as an early signal, giving people a better chance to act before disease becomes serious. Your breath may not just be air, it may be information. And one day, AI may help decode it before it is too late. If you want to stay ahead of the future of health and AI, please subscribe to this channel and join our journey.